Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn our next topic of the lesson triangle. The next topic is classification of triangles. Now what do you understand by classification of triangles? There are different types of angles based on sides or angles. So regarding with the angles and sides, the triangles are mainly divided into 6 types. Okay. So regarding with the angles are divided into 3 types, and regarding with the sides, the angles are again divided into 3 types. So which are the 3 types that we are going to see now? Okay. So here we can see acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. These all 3 angles are regarding to the angles. Means according to angle, this all angle triangles are divided. You know very well what is obtuse angle, right angle and acute angle. According to that, they are divided and named as acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Okay, they are related to the angles. Okay, they are subdivided according to the angles. Now later we are going to study each angle with their properties. Okay, then next is scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. Now these are the 3 types of angles which are divided according to the sides. With regard to the sides, they are divided into 3 types. Okay. So this also we are going to see one by one now about properties also. With the diagram we will go through it. Okay. Now we are going to learn the detailed information of each angle. So the first one is acute angle triangle. Now acute angle triangle. You know very well, acute angle means what? It is less than 90 degree. Okay, it is less than 90 degree. So that is known as a acute angle. So everywhere in this diagram you can see all the angles are less than 90 degree. This is a triangle which is having all the interior angles. Interior means inside. Whatever the angles are there, they are less than 90 degree. That is why it is known as acute angle triangle, right? Then this whole triangle will be known as acute angle triangle. Next is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means what? You can see this figure carefully. In this figure, you will find one angle is 90 degree. Here you can see at this point, one angle is 90 degree. Other angles are of different. Okay. So even one angle is 90 degree, that triangle is known as a right angle triangle. So which is the angle form here? Angle ABC equals to 90 degree, right? So that is why it is known as a right angle triangle. Now the next type of the triangle is obtuse angle triangle. You have already learned what is obtuse angle speciality. The main point of obtuse angle is that it is always more than 90 degree. It will be always more than 90 degree. So this angle whole it will be known as obtuse angle. So same way, if a triangle has at least one angle more than 90 degree, it is known as a obtuse angle triangle. So here you can see the figure. Here ABC is a triangle which is known as a obtuse angle triangle because it has one angle, that is B. It is of 120 degree which is more than 90 degree. Okay. So that is why it is known as obtuse angle triangle. Now the next type of the triangle based on this regarding to the sides, it is scalene triangle. Now what is the main feature of scalene triangle? How you will understand that this is a scalene triangle? If you will find all the sides are of different measurement, they are known as scalene triangles. Now you can see here PQR is a triangle. In this triangle, measurements are written of each side. So PQ is of 2 cm, QR is of 4 cm and PR is of 3 cm. So all the sides are different. So that is why it is known as a scalene triangle. Always keep in mind. Then the next is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, there you have to keep in mind two properties. Okay, very important things which you have to keep in mind, because while solving the examples, you should know what is speciality or feature of a isosceles triangle. So here you can see the triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. So side AB is equals to side AC. Okay. So here in this isosceles triangle, always keep in mind two sides are equal. Okay. And the third side is not equal. So this is known as a isosceles triangle. If two sides of a triangle are equal, that means it is a isosceles triangle. It doesn't mean that only these two sides. It may be AB or BC, or it may be AC and BC. Okay, this both can be equal, this both can be equal. It depends. But any two sides of a triangle which are equal, then that triangle is known as a isosceles triangle. Okay. Then afterwards, in this, again one more property you have to understand is the base angle. Base means this is the base of this triangle. This line is a, BC is a base of the triangle. So these are the base angles. Okay. So these base angles are always equal. You have to keep in mind these base angles are always equal. That is why it will be angle B equals to angle C. These two things you have to keep in mind of isosceles triangle. Okay. That means why it is needed? Because if one angle is given, vertical angle, this is known as a vertical angle. If this angle is known to you, and it is said that find out the angle B and angle C, or it may be asked, if this is the vertical angle given to you, find out the base angles. How you will find out? So you will find out with this formula, means this property, so that what you will do, base angles will be same. Okay, and it will be unknown. So sum of the interior angle equals to 180. According to that you can find out. Okay. So this is about the isosceles triangle. Regarding to the sides, again it is divided into third type, that is equilateral triangle. Equi means equal. So the name itself tells us that all sides will be equal. So equilateral triangle has the speciality or has the main feature that all the sides of a triangle are equal. Look at this diagram. Triangle ABC, it has all the sides equal measurement. Okay, that means AB will be equals to BC and it will be equals to AC. That means the value of it will be 5 centimeter. So all the sides of a triangle are equal. And again one more property of this you have to keep in mind, that all the angles, these angles, they will be also equal to each other. All the angles will be equal. Angle B equals to angle C equals to angle A. Okay. All the angles will be equal. You can see the equality sign over here. Sides also and angles also. So what are the main features of equilateral triangle? All the angles are equal and all the sides are equal. Second thing, to find out if any angle of a triangle, it means no angle is given in equilateral triangle. So how you will find out? We will find out with the help of the formula, sum of all the interior angles equals to 180. So which are the three angles? This we don't know, no? So sum of all the angles. So I will consider it as x. All the values of angles I am considering x. They are equal, so I am considering x. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. So angle A is x, B is also x and C is also x, equals to 180 degree. Right? Now x plus x will be 3x equals to 180 degree. So x equals to 180. This 3 will go downside. It will get divided. So it will be 60 degree. So we got the value of x 60 degree. So every angle will be of 60 degree. If you will do the addition of all these angles, you will get 180. If you are getting the answer as 180, that means your answer is correct. Always keep in mind, angle of a equilateral triangle, always it will be 60 degree only. And that is the speciality. So always you keep in mind, if it is said, find the given triangle is equilateral triangle or not. How you will find out? You will see that all the angles is of 60 degree or all the sides are of same measurement. If it is like that, then definitely it will be a equilateral triangle. Now, the next type of the angle again we are going to see in the isosceles triangle is isosceles right angle triangle. So there can be the possibility of isosceles right angle triangle. Okay. So how it will be? Wherever it is said right angle triangle, that means there will be one angle at least 90 degree. Okay. So you can see here in the diagram where ABC is a triangle, where at the B vertex you can see 90 degree angle is shown. That means it is a right angle triangle. And again one more thing you have to observe in the diagram, the equality of two sides is shown over there. That means side AB is equals to side BC. Right? So that is why it will be known as a isosceles triangle. But it is showing 90 degree angle. That is why it will be known as isosceles right angle triangle. Now, if in the diagram it is given, so if one angle 90 degree means it is given, and in this figure if it is said that find out the other angles, other base angles of this triangle. How you will find out the base angle? Now these are the two sides which are equal, so baseline will be this. So these angles we have to find out. So you know that base angles of a isosceles triangle are equal. So angle A will be always equals to angle C. That I am considering as X. Okay. So I am considering that as X. Then we know that angle B is 90 degree. Now we know one formula, that is sum of interior angle is always 180 degree. Use that. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180. So angle A and C will be X. So X plus B is 90 degree plus X equals to 180. So X plus X is 2X plus 90 equals to 180. So 2X equals to 180 minus 90. Therefore, 2X equals to 180 minus 90 will be 90. So X equals to 2 will be getting divided. So 90 upon 2. So answer we will get here is 45 degree. So now we got the value of X, that is 45 degree. Right? So if any right angle triangle is given in isosceles, definitely the base angles will be 45 and one angle will be 90 degree. Okay, if it is like that, no need to go for any other method, directly you can follow this. Now we are going to see the related examples which are based on isosceles triangle. Okay, so let us have a look to one example. In the given isosceles triangle, find the base angles, and the triangle is given to you. One figure is given to you, and that is isosceles triangle. It is given and one angle is given. So we have to find out the base angles here. Okay, so here we have to find out base angle. So we know already isosceles triangle has the feature or property that the base angles are always equal. Okay, so with that property we can find out, if one angle is known to you, we can find out two angles. Okay, so how we will find out? So go through the each step. Each step consists half mark. If one step is not there, your half mark will be cut down. So you have to go through it properly. Okay, first what is given that you write. So here, and what is given? It is a isosceles triangle. Okay, so in isosceles triangle, that is triangle ABC, angle A equals to 40 degree. Okay, and base angles are equal. Therefore, angle B equals to angle C. Okay, therefore, let the angle be x. Okay, so we are considering that angles be x. Okay, understood till here? Now, the next step is we are considering this as x. So, let the angles be x. So, these base angles we are considering as x. So, sum of all the interior angles equals to 180. That we have to write down. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Right? So, angle A is 40 plus x equals to 180. So now x plus x will be 2x. Therefore 40 plus 2x equals to 180. Right? Then this 40 will go this side and get subtracted. So 2x equals to 180 minus 40. So therefore 2x equals to 140. 180 minus 40 is 140. Therefore, x equals to, this 2 will get divided here. 140 upon 2. Therefore, x equals to 70. So, we got the value of x, that is 70 degree. Write in the diagram. Now, how to check the answer? I told you the technique. You have to do the addition of all the angles. 70 plus 70 is 140. 140 plus 40 is 180. That means our answer is correct. So we have to follow all the step by step each method over there. Now next different type of the example we will see. One base angle of an isosceles triangle is 65. Means base angle is given. One base angle. Find its angle of vertex. So vertical angle we have to find out. First draw the diagram. A, B, C. This angle we have to find out. One base angle is given, that is 65 degree. Okay. So we know if it is an isosceles triangle, definitely base angles will be equal. So C and B will be equal. So it will be also 65 degree. And this we will consider as x. Okay. Go through the steps now. In triangle ABC, angle A, let angle A be x. Base angles equals to angle B equals to angle C. That is why it is 65 degree. Since it is a isosceles triangle which is given in the question. Okay. Now sum of all the interior angles, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Now next step, put the values. Angle A is x plus 65 plus 65 equals to 180. Now 65 plus 65, how much it will be? 130 equals to 180. Now 130 will go that side and it will get subtracted. So 180 minus 130. Therefore x equals to 50. That means 180 minus 130 if we will do, then we will get the answer as 50 degree. So we got the value of x, that is 50 degree. Now do the total of this, you will get 180 degree answer. That means our answer is correct. So in this way you can solve the different types of the angles which are not given in the triangle by using the properties of isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. Depending on the condition, you have to go through that. Next time we will see the construction of the triangles. Thank you.